You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this American author, writer and humorist. If you want to learn more names from literature that are confusing and that many get wrong, stay tuned to get them all. American English pronunciation, we can do the British one too, but he was US, so Mark, British would say Mark, Mark Twain, Mark Twain. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.